How do I create an affiliate marketing funnel that converts? A good affiliate marketing funnel engages cold leads, builds trust, and positions your offer as the product or service they need. There are 5 main components you need for a high-converting funnel. First, you'll need a steady stream of targeted traffic, people who have a real interest in your product or service. Second, create an irresistible lead magnet. This should solve a specific problem and align with your affiliate goals. Next, design a simple landing page. Make it distraction-free with one clear message and a single call to action. Grab the free resource. The 4th step involves a trust-building email sequence. After someone opts in, nurture them with valuable content instead of constant sales pitches. Finally, present your affiliate offer. Make sure it directly addresses the problem your lead magnet solved. Make sure you avoid these common mistakes. A low-quality, non-congruent lead magnet. Doing a sales pitch before you offer your visitors something of value. A well-structured affiliate funnel allows you to guide your visitors to the desired conclusion, making a purchase. It works 24/7. This is what passive income is all about. Ready to create your own profitable affiliate business? Use my free GPT to develop a digital marketing plan in less than 10 minutes. It's interactive, beginner-friendly, and tailored to your goals. Click link in description below this video to get free access.